Hey, and we're live. Good morning, Mr. Nick.
Good morning, David. Today,
Good. Just taking a quick look at news. We got 10 a.m. Job jolts opening and 10:30 EIA natural gas. We already had jobless claims back at 8:30. And the market opens in 4 minutes. Here we go.
4 minutes. YM's been pulling down since about 7:20 this morning. Yes, has been following NASDAQ. Looking at ES and NQ. I don't know, I'm kind of expecting another pullback today.
Yeah, it seems like it the way it's been pretty heavy. Sure.
If ES can't get a bit of lift, or I'm sorry, if NQ can't get a bit of lift, ES is probably going to follow it down.
Yeah, we're kind of at the bottom of this huge leg up that we've had.
Midnight opening. Sorry, go ahead.
I don't have any real areas on the chart down here, so kind of some support at 24,633 potentially, but that's still a bit down. But
looking at YM, we got midnight opening price at 49,531. So we got not too far to get up there, a couple hundred points. But again, on YM, that's a hiccup.
Yeah.
Got all my accounts in the copier ready to go.
Nice.
See if Trade of 8 starts glitching today.
Hope not. Yeah.
I'm hoping not, because holy crap, that was irritating yesterday. Two minutes to market open, and there's already orders coming in on the book map. Starting to get a little bit of movement here.
Yeah, we're outside of the value area low. Which in the past, I found that we usually continue to the downside if we're below value area low, but we'll have to see how this opening bell starts.
I'm down like $250 on my personal account from an overnight trade.
Oh, yeah?
Woke up, I saw that it was red and one single tier spell.
One single tier?
One single tier. Oh, I'm down.
10 seconds here on the bell. And we're open.
Woo! Nothing real special on YM happening. A little bit of a drop, but wow.
Bit of a reversal there.
A little bit. Orders coming on up above on YM.
49,500.
49,500, 450, 440, 430. Coming to previous day's VWAP, it hit it, bounced off it, creating a little bit of a bearish fair value gap here. So I am gonna try and be patient again.
I'm in short, up 300 actually on that Dow. Let's keep going down. Keep going. There we go. Might hit my max profit. No, we got stopped out there. Damn, pulled back. I thought it was gonna hit my daily profit target before but pulled back, hit my stop. So 288 there on that Dow. We had this bearish fair value gap, 49,383. Kind of was rejecting in that area, so I went short and yeah, chased it down. That was quite the move. Jose, good morning there, sir. Sometimes Jose sends me some pictures of the stuff that he gets from when he's doing junk removal. He had like a Game Boy that he got recently.
Yeah, I knew this guy a while back that basically emptied out houses where they were doing evictions and stuff like that. And he would find cash. Said he found more sex toys than he cared to even think about. But
oh yeah.
Yeah, just wear gloves.
Right.
Wear gloves.
Bring like a little mini incinerator with you.
Yeah, right.
Burn that shit. Well, ES and NQ pulled back initially and then kind of being held up at the moment.
YM was bearish for the first 3-minute candle. This one looks like it got a little bit of support right at 276, 278, somewhere around there.
Bitcoin's at a 16-month low right now.
So if you set a high of week VWAP for YM,
yeah,
it is sitting right now at 394.90. Might get a little push lower here, though. Wow. Got a lot of orders underneath us on YM down at 220.
Damn, I was on the wrong account there. Not that I didn't. I actually took a long on NQ, then it got stopped out, and then I took the long again, and then I closed it, basically making break even. So the pullback was a little deeper than I was expecting on that first candle there, but it was that was that midnight open retracement trade, and it's well on its way up there now. Probably cut it a little bit early.
So YM basically just erased about 75% of that loss from the opening candles.
Yeah. Yeah, it bounced right up there. I gotta go to the bathroom quick. Sorry, I'll be right back.
Julio. Through this opening range high, I'm going to start looking at midnight price, 531.60 for a long. If it can erase that bearish fair value gap from 9 o'clock this morning. And it's pulling down again. 4 more minutes until the opening range is set, though, so wait for that. Looks like gold's trying to get a little lift here. Got some pullback on this 5-minute candle, but buyers are still in control. Cannot get into anything right now.
Sorry about that, sir. What did I miss?
Gold had a little pop up. Right now, buyers and sellers are kind of fighting it out. Still feeling a little bit bullish on it for the short term this morning. YM still in range.
Yeah.
Staying in that opening range. It popped up above it for a few seconds, but nothing to speak of.
Value area low, kind of like right above there at 49,444, 446. Top of that wick. MES, NQ, they're looking pretty strong. We're in a bearish fair value gap right now on NQ though. Yeah, that midnight open price trade really worked. If I would have let it try to get it all the way up there, it would have got pretty close to it.
On NQ.
NQ, yeah. It got up to 24,939 and 950 is midnight open price.
Looks like sellers are winning this 5-minute round on gold.
Oh, yeah.
Orders keep coming on, trying to bring it up to that mid price. And it just crossed it. Okay. So right now, I just pulled up my degenerate account because I'm not liking anything.
Yeah, the price isn't looking that good. I'm not looking to copy.
Price isn't looking good on anything right now.
Yeah.
So I just went in. with 24 micros on gold.
Oh, 24
Long.
micros? Hey, 24?
4.
Just 4. Okay. We're in this bearish fair value gap on NQ, so I'm a little bit concerned about a rejection, kind of what's happening right now. Who else we got in the chat? Only so far Jose said something. We got 4 people watching. It's a quiet Thursday.
Getting towards the end of the week. Nobody wants to sit here and hang out with us.
Czar's here. Czar said, note, we are getting job status soon. Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
9 minutes. Candle dealer. Hey. Good morning, sir. On Sunday, there's a guy called Trades Too Easy. He was in the stream chatting with us, and then I noticed on like Monday or Tuesday or something, he was watching Wes. This Wes Emerald Gate is another evening. He trades at night, and that Trades Too Easy 150K account from Take Profit Trader on that stream.
Oh,
I was
that's
like,
cool.
damn, that was a good win.
All right. Well, just made $2,600 on that trade.
Damn. That was a gold trade?
Yeah.
Shit. Good timing. I mean, everything else is pulling back right now. Hey, Candle. Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? And Nick's obviously doing good too. Just made 2,600 in his one of his bigger accounts. Very nice.
Oh, wow. Now it's pulling back.
Good timing.
Yeah, I was trailing that up a little bit aggressively, so.
Yeah, this was well, the NQ and ES were pulling back, and then they had a bit of a bounce there. As you said, gold was going down, so. Well, we're above the view up. We're above the view up on all of the indices right at the moment. Although they're pulling back to it. YM is flirting with it. ES has just tapped it. And got a little bit of space on NQ. Pretty big bounce there off of YM, off the VWAP at 340. 40-point little pop. Didn't really make anything past there. Tim, hey, good morning, Tim. How you doing? That's my best Arnold impression. How you doing? Or is that Sylvester Stallone? I can't remember.
Hey, yo, Adrian, I brought a Chihuahua, a little puppy dog, to replace that turtle I stepped on, and he's a cute little Chihuahua. That's all I got for Sylvester Stallone. I do like Tony Revolting though.
Who? Sorry?
Hey, Mr. Carter. It's like, you crazy or something. Now, is gold going to bounce again? Seems like it's stuck in this little price range right here.
Yeah. We got gold, or news coming here in 5 minutes.
Wish we had gold coming here in 5 minutes. Just a special delivery right to my front door.
Yeah.
Take a couple hundred troy ounces of gold right now. All right. So another 20 micros gold long.
Wow. Savage.
Oh, now it's fooling around with this price. It's just bouncing up and down quickly on the book map.
Oh yeah, orders popping on and off, eh?
Yeah.
Lots
of them.
48.80. I finally got the bundle. So I got access to gold and YM now.
Nice. How you liking it?
It's good. It's just another thing that I gotta like manage.
It's another thing that we gotta pay for.
And manage, like switching it.
Yeah.
Oh, we got news still coming up here in about 2 minutes.
Down 1,000 right now.
I'm doing better than good. I'm doing gooder. Gooder. Nice.
All right. That's good to hear.
I really want to be short right now on NQ. Ten seconds on news. Oh, there's gold pop. Wow.
Glad I held through that. Keep going.
Yeah, don't just stop right there. So it's weakness in the dollar. That was the opportunity to get short on the indices right there on that pop. Trailing the short down here on NQ. Stops just above the 500. All right, I'm out there. So I did take I just flip-flopping a little bit today. I got a stopped out on the gold before this, and then I just took a short on NQ and got it back. So
Very good.
So that accounts down 950 only. So gold is so freaking scary right now. Like, I only took one micro and it just instantly stopped me out at $50. I was like, what the heck?
Gold's scary. Silver's terrifying.
Yeah.
YM is range bound.
Yeah, the YouTube stream is pretty quiet this morning. We got 3 people. people that chose sleep today rather than coming.
Yeah.
So far, they're not missing out on a ton. Anyway, it's not a
There's not a whole hell of a lot
easy
going on
bullish
here.
or bearish day.
I can't be
Good day to
bullish or
sleep in.
bearish today.
No. I mean, trend is staying bearish, but like we're also kind of at a pretty key support level. So
It's just stuck in this range. I'm not. YM's got a 200, almost a 200-point range, which is nothing for YM. What's ES looking like?
ES is looking a little bit close to NQ. ES is about to sweep the lows. NQ hasn't quite got there yet. So if we do sweep the lows and then NQ doesn't sweep the lows, that could definitely sign a reversal. It's a bullish divergence on NQ. So we made equal lows with ES there on that last candle.
Today might be a micro scalping day.
Right? Looks like it. Unless the trend is just started now and it's going to continue just going lower, which still could be a micro scalp day
Yeah, I
just
mean,
in the downside.
taking 5-second trades on their YM. Yeah, gold's low a day is 48.22. That was at 8:05 a.m. You want to go back to 3 in the morning? It was at 49.61. Yeah, metals have been weird lately.
Yeah, super volatile, and they're doing a lot of retracement moves.
So I wonder if some of these prop firms are going to stop allowing you to trade metals. I know some of them don't. Like
yesterday.
I think, what's that?
One of them did. I heard yesterday. I'm not sure which. I forget who it was, but they actually said absolutely no metals trading.
Right. I know.
Some were limited.
My funded futures, I think you can't trade. You've never been able to trade metals on them.
Lots of people losing accounts, but at the same time, lots of people making a ton of money, right?
Yeah. And then there's my dumb ass. I'm not doing either. Just playing it safe, trying to survive the crazy volatility.
Yeah.
Except for with my degenerate account, but that doesn't.
Okay, well, ES made a new low, a lower low, and NQ still hasn't broken its. There we go. We got equal lows on NQ right now.
YM broke through the opening range low, made a new low of day. Right now, it's just fighting with that price.
Yeah. Oh, it was Apex. They shut down trading metals.
Had to pay out too much.
Probably, right?
Somebody with 20 accounts was just doing one account at a time.
Yeah.
Doing a
full port.
10 excuse me, 10 minis on silver.
Yeah.
And waiting.
Flip the coin. Hopefully it doesn't pull back to 2 points, and then you're good.
Yeah, I mean, if it goes up 2 points, you got 10 grand. Actually, 20 grand if you're doing 10 minis.
Oh yeah, savage.
Oh yeah, YM's looking heavy now. Got orders at 49.20. Or I'm sorry, 49,200. Those just got eaten up.
I think Randy was in a long, and then as the price was going down, I heard Austin be going, "Randy, dump it." He's telling him, "Get out of that trade." I think. Dump truck.
Get out.
Get out while you can.
I'm just waiting for a good entry price here on YM for a short now.
Yeah. Can't really buy it down or short it down there. I mean, it might just blast off lower, but that's not a very safe trade, you know?
Safety first, peoples.
Maybe if we get a retracement up to, we have a bearish fair value gap sort of at 49,258. If we can get up there and get a reaction off that.
As I'm talking about being safe, price is now dropping.
Right. That was all the pullback we're getting right there, Nick.
It might be. I mean, and that's
It hit 201 and then returned around and went lower. So 60 points lower, 55 points lower, just like that.
We've all seen days like that where it just keeps going in one direction all damn day. Never get the pullback you're looking for.
Yeah. Trying to be patient and responsible, and it's not going to give you that opportunity.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you don't have to take a trade every day.
Yeah, exactly. No need to do damage trying to chase it, right? I got 288 in my one top one futures account and down 950 in the other.
Excuse me. Yeah, YM is just grinding down now.
Wow, yeah. That was our opportunity there at the 200s, I guess.
It was. I missed it.
90 points down from there.
Not going to be mad about it.
Nope. There'll be another pullback eventually, hopefully.
Eventually. Oh, there's always going to be a pullback. If it's not today, it'll be tomorrow.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to go grab some more coffee. Because this price action is... Unidirectional movement.
And it's still going. Damn. NQ, yes, still pushing lower here. see if we can't get a pullback or a bounce here for an entry, guys. We can't. This is not a valid fair value gap just yet. We need this candle to close. At what point are the buyers coming in here? Getting a bounce on all three indices here. Is this just going to be a momentary relief before some continuation lower? Quite possibly. Or could be a total reversal. Just looking at NQ, and I don't really see, I mean, there's 25,000 orders above at 25,000, but that's, you know, quite a ways up there. Up at midnight open price.
That little pullback on YM.
Yeah. All three indices getting a little bit of a bounce here.
See what it does with this 5-minute fair value gap that's printed. Or that it's printing.
Or forming, yeah. Almost a little gap there still. We do have orders down at 49,000 on MYM. That's a good, 100 points lower still.
Yeah, orders are just coming on and off on MYM right now.
Yeah. The algos are keeping their orders at the exact distance away from from the price, 30 points. Hey, Johan, good morning.
This is absolute insanity.
There she is. How's the bot working, Johan?
I think Johan is a bot. He's a robot in our chat right now just to stir up some shit.
Almost passed your eval on Lucid. Nice. Is that from the bot or is that like your own personal? Been catching some gold trades probably.
I'm in a little YM short right now.
Okay.
One micro, I'm gonna see where it goes.
We do have those orders at 49,000. Okay. Hello. Cryptos are getting beat up. Oh, 67,000 on Bitcoin. XRP's $1.30. Whew. Sui's only 96 cents. Oh, damn. There you go. Getting some nice movement lower here.
You thinking about Bitcoin for 56,000?
Yeah, is that an entry? Bought and manually. I thought the insanity was just me. LOL. Tim.
It's all of us.
YM's doing pretty good there. Pushing down.
Pretty happy with this trade.
Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Keep going. Keep going down.
CBD's at 21.85. Put a 50-point stop loss in here right now.
That in that big account again?
No, I'm doing 1 micro across 60 accounts right now.
Oh wow, nice. Oversold MYM. That's what Johan's saying.
Looking at the RSI. I use RSI as a very vague reference. All right. I made a whole $25 on that trade.
Hey, times 60.
Yeah, times 60. And now I'm just checking to make sure it flattened on all of my accounts.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing worse.
Nothing worse. Pretty crazy when it's only 1 micro or whatever times 60 counts and you get $25. That's a lot of money. 250 times 6.
1,500.
1,500, yeah. Your camera like disappeared for a second there. You getting some lag?
Maybe.
No, you showed a little spinny thing and you disappeared for a second and then came back when I was doing my really slow bad math right there. It's like 250 times 6, 4, 5, 6.
I keep ending up with these notification ping noises on my Tradebait accounts.
Oh yeah. Is it an alert or something?
Yeah, I'm like, am I still in the trade? It makes me nervous every time I hear that noise.
Yeah. So I just went to the 4-hour chart on YM and we're in a very large bullish fair value gap and right with the 200 EMA also. That's kind of interesting.
Stochastic RSI. All right. How's that work for you? What's good about it? Tell me a story, Johan.
Oscillating RSI or stochastic RSI.
I'm always up for learning something new, so
You just use it for more confluence. Nice. Well, we bounced on YM and then rejected off the 100 again. And now we're looking like they want to push the lows again. Sheesh.
Yeah, I just pulled up the RSI, the standard RSI, and it's down at 20. 30 is considered oversold, but considering the momentum on this downward movement, I'm still not ready to go into a long. It hit that 4,900 level though. $4,900, $49,000. You and I are both having trouble with numbers this morning, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, I locked in a little bit on a short on YM here. It's going a little lower. I'm trailing it down as we speak. Don't bounce, don't bounce. Keep going, keep going. There we go. Locked in a bit more. We're up about 100. Locked a little more. There we go. We're out. All right, $93.
Killing it, Dave. You're killing it.
Yeah, that was a bit of a risky trade, but I figured after we bounced back up, we rejected off the 900s, and then I saw that like they were eating those orders at 49,000, and then I saw some orders down at about 80 below those, and I was thinking, yeah, well that could definitely be the next little liquidity grab, right? And that's basically where it kind of stalled out. Right at the 80s.
As you say that, orders come on at 35. Yeah, it's still sitting at that 80 level, bouncing between 63 and 92 over the past few minutes.
Yeah. Well, those were my 50K top one future accounts. Now I do have this 25K funded one, so I'm definitely only going to do micros on that. Hey, increase the odds. 24,493. You're long in MNQ if you get there. Let me see. 24,493, right at the 500 level. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that's definitely could be. This was the level that I was talking about at the very start of the stream. Kind of like some past highs from like August were there, and September, and then it broke out in September above that. And then what was this here? This was November. We pulled back really far and found support right in that area. Look, we got news in 10 seconds. What do we got? Initial balance set.
A little bit of a bounce on YM.
Back at that 49,000 level, hey? Still seeing orders sort of below at 950 now. 950, 960.
960, yeah. Or tiny little pullback here.
I took 2 micros short there. I'm gonna go break even right away on that. Okay, we stopped to a break even. Oh, there it goes. Nope. Bouncing. It's pretty volatile right here.
Or mini short right now.
Oh, nice. There you go. Yeah, went to those orders at 50. Took 45 orders at 50 there. Now we're down at 40.
Locking in $140.
Nice.
Now I'm just gonna sit and wait.
So you took a partial, or I guess you locked it in with a.
No, I just locked it in. I moved my stop loss up to positive $140.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I should have, but it's 4 minis on a cash account, so
Protect that.
yeah.
Scary as AF, but I'm going in. Did we get down there already? Oh, you're still at 550. So you still got a bit of a pullback here. Yeah, it is scary. Hopefully you get a reaction before you enter. I mean, you could just stick a limit order, but then there's that chance that it could go straight through it, right?
I pulled back. I made $120 on that.
Slippage,
my stop
a little
set.
slippage.
Yeah, a little bit of slippage.
Yeah.
One tick.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to be protective on that position, for sure.
Not trying to light the world on fire here. I'm just trying to make a little bit of money today.
Yeah.
Or be flat. Honestly, I don't. It's really hard for me to short anything at the bottom like this.
Yeah.
Metals are a shit show. Gold's about to hit the opening range low. But in all honesty, does that even mean anything at this point?
Right. NQ looks like it wants to take out the bottom here, the lows.
Well, YM created a new low at 925, 48,925. Came up off of that a little bit. 30 points.
That's some really weird price action on the 5-minute chart on NQ. Like out of the gate, we popped up and then we created that opening range high, and then we wicked down, right, and bounced back up. We closed the candle at 9:14. The next candle opened at 8:61. So that's like a 50-point spread on the entry. That's pretty wild. Unless my chart's a little weird.
I think your chart's a little weird. You're talking about the 5-minute chart? Yeah, your chart's off.
Must be missing. Yeah, actually, looking at it on my other chart, it's like missing a candle. It's missing that one 5-minute candle after it. Oh yeah, it says 6:45 and then the next candle 6:55. What the heck? I'm like, that's a huge gap. Like, I've never seen that happen before.
YM came up and touched a 15-minute bearish fair value gap and then is now below it again. 49,014. It's the bottom of that 15-minute bearish fair value gap.
Pretty big bounce there on YM, but is it probably just a little retracement? Market breadth. I'm green, yeah, so far. Johan, thanks. How are you? I'm up 288 in one account. I'm up 93 in the other, and I'm up 210 in my third account.
Yeah, I'm up between 27 and 37.50 across all my accounts. Oh, this one's 1920. Horrible year. 25, 27.50. In this one, I'm down $9.86 to $8.36. Don't know how the hell that happened, but
slow to respond on the.
Oh, that was I took that account off my copier, and I had taken a loss pre-market.
Oh, gotcha.
So overall green for the day.
Increase odds said, I think on days like this, the motto is duck and cover.
Yeah, that's about right. Are you old enough to remember those duck and cover drills from grade school?
Yep.
I wasn't sure if you had them. 4-year difference between us.
Get under the desk kind of idea.
Yeah, because that's gonna protect you in a nuclear fallout.
When the building collapses, that little desk is sure gonna help.
Every little bit helps, right? YM's coming back up again. I think it's gonna fight with that 49.50.
49,000 level there, holding it sort of.
Just playing around with it, just tickling it a little bit, making fun of it. I
Okay,
get a
should we
response.
It saves Timmy, all right. That's funny.
Had such a drop in YM since the open on a 15-minute chart here, or on a 5-minute chart. I can't even see VWAP.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so far.
There it is.
Way up there.
Think we're gonna get back up there? If I had any faith in that, I would take a long right now.
Right? A little less than 3 minutes on this candle here. NQ and ES are both popping up a bit.
I think increase the odds was right. Today is a duck and cover day.
I got cooked on my first MNQ contract. I'm down 100 points today on MNQs, so that's lame, but I'm fighting. Never got your entry on that idea, hey? Never quite got that low. 550 seemed to be the low on NQ there. Yeah, you know, with this volatility, one micro can just it can just rip on you, right? It's pretty painful. You took a 3.5 ration on the BRB 8 on ES. Ration. Yeah, at 8. Opening range. Gotcha.
Getting really irritated with these alerts from Trade Evade.
It's Trade Evade or Trading View?
Trade Evade.
Oh. Yeah, any noise that Trade Evade's making, that would scare me out too. Scare me.
Yeah,
I thought you were saying it was on. Yeah.
It's making my butthole pucker up.
Yeah, it's like, what is happening in the background right now?
Mm-hmm. I don't like it, Sam. I am.
$24,708 was my first long, and of course we were back at it. Yeah, got right up there. Timing is so important, hey? You know, like.
Patience pays. Well, price pays. Patience helps you get that price.
Yeah. I'd almost prefer it to never come back to my original entry because it's like, do I get back in? LOL. Yeah, right. And if it doesn't go back to your entry, then you feel like you're validated for stopping it out too, right? Cause a little tilt behavior.
Let's not tilt today, anybody.
No.
Take your losses like an adult. Keep your risk management tight. Be patient, wait for a good setup. You know, all those things that everybody says constantly, and none of us ever listen to it.
We try. We try.
We all need a little bit of help every now and then, right?
For sure, a little reminder.
Make sure your stop losses are tight. Don't do anything stupid. Make adult decisions. You know, both you gents know it. Yeah. Yeah, I think we've been doing this. Yeah. Shit, I built the damn block. So damn old. I was around when the Dead Sea was just sick.
YM's right back to the low there. NQES also pulling back. Didn't quite make the New York VWAP on any of the indices on the bounce.
Screwing around with this 930 price right now.
It's like those beer commercials. Trade responsibly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Drink responsibly. Trade responsibly.
Dave, I think you and I are going to have to get together and do a couple of stupid, just stupid commercials for the YouTube channel.
Yeah. I'm down. Like don't drop like a bad tranny. Don't drop your accounts like a bad transmission.
You're going to use the increase the odds. Remember, folks, if you're going to trade responsibly.
Yeah.
I mean, I already did one for diapers for traders, so.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't make the ad. I just said it when we were live streaming.
Yeah, I remember that was like yesterday or day before, right? Depends.
I think it was a little longer than that, but now a word from our sponsor. Are you a button clicker? Do you like to push buttons and try and make money while blowing accounts? Try Folgers. It'll have your finger moving so fast, you won't be able to see it. While you're drinking your Folgers, try Big People Huggies. You don't want to have to take a leak when you're in an NQ long that's going in your favor. Low on YM again. I was hoping it was going to get up to VWAP at some point so I could get a good entry, but
Did you say you're long on YM? Did you say you were long on YM? Sorry.
No, I said I was hoping it would get back up to VWAP so I could get a good entry that I feel comfortable with on YM, but It's just been a slow grind down. Actually, not even slow. It's just been a grind down.
Yeah.
Is this 4,900 a key level for anything? Tuesday's low a day at 48,925. Monday's overnight at 1 a.m. was 48,504.50 for a low a day. Mom thinks you're funny, Dave. She's giving you LOLs.
Must be the orange glasses.
I mean, I've been laughing about those since we met. I shouldn't pick on you about that. I take my glasses off. I'm squinting like the Moroccan mole from Looney Tunes. I'm with you. Increase the odds. The blue blockers are going to be coming here shortly.
Yeah, the only depends on how my head's feeling on the day. So I got 2 blue blockers. So these guys are clear blue blockers, and then these ones are a tinted blue blocker. So if I'm like feeling a little like I don't want as much brightness in the morning, I'll toss on the orange ones. And if I'm feeling like a little normal, then I'll just throw those clear ones on. So this morning my eyes were feeling a little sensitive, so I tossed on the orange. Hey, there's Nina.
Good morning, sunshine. Yeah, I actually want dark amber ones, so not just for the blue light protection, but also because I really want to look like a douchebag wearing sunglasses inside all day long.
Yeah, nice. The tinted ones are sweet. I got clear yellow, but sometimes put the window light settings to brown. Oh, okay. Interesting. Windows light settings to brown. Huh. I didn't know you could do that. Well, I'm not loving this price action right now. We're kind of all stuck, but we're like, looks like we're building up for a move. Which way? I don't know. Obviously bearish at the moment, but we might end up popping up to VWAP before we make a new low. So we'll have to be patient through this sideways action. Try not to fall asleep.
As I yawn.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Stop picking on me, Dave.
I heard a yawn there, and I'm like, yeah, if we don't fall asleep
Yeah.
while we're waiting.
I need a nap.
I really got to start trying to get to bed for 9:30. Can you open more than one window on TradingView? I have two open. I have one open with all of my three charts, and then I have the one open that you guys can see right here. And then I usually just bounce around by hitting this button on the bottom corner, and it'll show all three like their chart does, and then I just select whichever one I want to watch, and then go back in.
Wow, that's intense.
If you're curious, and sorry for talking not about the market, but the brightness settings on Windows can be adjusted. Can adjust the night light, put a screen dark. Okay. And it blocks a lot of blue lights, I guess. Nice.
And increase the odds. Don't apologize for talking about shit that's not the markets. We were just talking about Depends, crappy coffee, and blue light blocking glasses.
Yeah.
Nobody cares.
Yeah, we're open to any conversation, especially while we're watching this paint dry here.
Yeah.
He said, but hey, it's not my channel. Hosts can talk about anything. No, we appreciate the interaction. Keeps us sane through these markets.
There's only one rule: don't be a dick.
Yeah,
that's it. Be nice to the other people in the stream, and if you're gonna pick on anyone, make it me and Dave. Mostly because we deserve it.
Can we talk about the hockey game last night? I would if I saw it. I didn't see it. What happened? Tell us.
A Canadian that didn't watch the hockey game?
I don't have cable here anymore. So I'd probably have to subscribe to like Amazon Prime Video with sports or something for it.
Oh my God, I've seen bamboo grow faster than this. Literally, there is a species of bamboo that you can watch it grow.
That's crazy. Habs won. Nice. Obviously, that's your team. Hey, Johan. Congrats.
Habs won? Who's Habs? Sorry, I know jack and shit about hockey. Being from Detroit, I know the Red Wings and the Blackhawks. Rangers?
Yeah, it's Montreal Canadiens.
Being from Montreal, are they really Canadians, though? I'm asking the guy from Vancouver.
So, they're definitely Canadian.
Only been to Montreal once. Had a really good time.
Yeah.
But I'm not allowed in Canada anymore, so
I'd love to go.
Yeah, I wasn't allowed in Canada for many years.
Canucks suck.
Damn. 2 wins, 0 losses, not giving it back. Hell yeah, Tim.
Great job, Tim. Very nice.
All right, YM is hitting that simple moving average. It's getting a little bit of buying pressure up above on the book map. I don't have any faith that it's going to last, and dropped right down below 4,900 or 49,000.
Tim finally got off his losing streak. There you go.
How'd you get off your losing streak? Did you take a couple of days off? Did you do some meditation? Big bag of weed? Give us some backstory here. If you come to Montreal, tell me, we can take a beer. Oh, hell yeah. Or 2. Or 15.
Nice.
$15 beers, oh boy, yeah, it's that would be a lot for me. I don't drink that much anymore. For a while, I was California sober.
Yeah, what's California sober?
Think about it for a minute, you'll get there. Play power or a shot of beer every minute for an hour. Ooh. Now we'll get hotel rooms and no driving.
Still just going sideways here on all these 3 indices. Bit of a no trade zone. Kind of flagging out though with that bearish move. I mean, more likely we're going to head lower here, but you know, not a guarantee.
Nothing in life is guaranteed other than it's going to come to an end eventually. Well, that was depressing. I'm going to shut up. Way to bring it down. Needed a sobering moment after all that talk about beer. Johan drinking like a degenerate. Slurring the French. So right now for me, it is 11:05. Increase the odds says, well, it looks like I might just walk away red today. If you're already red and you're feeling like you should walk away, then do it.
Yeah, there's always another time.
yeah, there's going to be another trade tomorrow or Monday or next week, whatever. You don't need to even make an effort to get that red to green. Sometimes you just got to take your lumps, and that is it.
For sure. Johan, Nick's same time as you, I think, East Coast time.
11:06. Gold pulled up off the low of day at 48.20.80. It's now sitting at 48.50. It's bouncing around 48.52. Just got above the 21 RSI. It's heading up towards the 65. But VWAP is still 36 points up above us.
Seems like gold's the only thing moving right now.
Yep. But even that's been in a downtrend all day. This move up might be very short-lived.
Yeah. Previous day low up above at 48.68.
Yeah, the movements on gold have been brutal.
It's hard to get a read off a book map on what gold is going to do here. Like the orders just move around so fast. Nothing, and they look like a lot of them are like sort of like algo looking. Like the majority of them are all algo orders.
So yeah, the majority of them are algo orders, but you have to remember too that right now, every retail trader is trading gold.
Yeah.
Because of these big movements.
There goes NQ trying to take the lows.
YM's trying to take the lows as well. It hit the low and just took it. Bounced up off of it. And there are orders coming on down at 895. 896, 897, and there's orders up above at 970.
Hey Jay, good morning. We don't see you very often in the mornings. How you doing? Usually he pops in on the evening stream.
Everybody seems to love your evening stream.
Oh, there's gold popping. All of them are popping right there at the moment, at the same time. Doing good, bro. Made some good profits on silver and gold runs, so I've been laying off trading for a bit. Nice. Yeah, careful. That stuff's volatile. You could
Careful, don't get smoked.
yeah. It's good that you're being careful. Don't want to give those profits back, right?
Yeah.
Well, they all popped there for a moment, and then now they're all pulling back. So
Yeah.
That's the type of price action that we're looking at this morning.
Gold popped, YM popped, NQ popped. And I didn't look at ES, but I'm assuming that one did too.
Yeah, it did. ES and NQ look very much the same right now.
Yeah, if we could just pick the direction that it's going to go for the next 2 hours. Great.
Uh-oh, last chance to get coffee.
Never a last chance to get coffee.
Oh, well, it's hot anyways. I figured I was going to set up the coffee pot in the kitchen, and then I was like, you know what? I'm going to put it in the bedroom. It would be the same if it was going off on the stream.
Can't wait to build my office.
No doubt.
Jungle view or ocean view? Which one should it be?
Yeah, jungle or ocean view. Nice. Looking for a small 30-minute bounce before going lower, says Jay. Yeah, it could definitely bounce for a good 30 minutes after this pullback. Maybe back up to the VWAPs. I was eyeballing gold there when you brought it up. I was like, this is looking pretty good for long. Good thing I opted out, because that was not a sustained push yet. Now, if we were to sweep back down to the lows and then pop back up, then maybe I would think about getting along. We kind of need one of those sweeps to happen first.
Yeah, have another sweep happen and then long it up to VWAP. 48.90.
Were you talking about gold or YM?
Gold.
Gold. Mine shows 48.55 for the view up. Did I put it on the wrong candle? Oh, it's on 6:30.
Oh, I may still have my weekly up.
Okay, that's probably what it is then. Yeah, close enough. I mean, similar area.
Just took a gold long.
All right. On that pullback, or?
Yeah. A little bit of slippage there, so I got in at 4,848.40. I'm locking in $50 now. I'm actually going to put a take profit in this one at VWAP.
Oh, nice.
Just with all the movement here, I don't want it to get up there and then pull back on me.
Yeah. In case it just rips.
But I did lock in $50, so taking into consideration slippage, the most I can lose on this is about $10. Bookmap's looking good on orders on gold right now. They're coming on above, but not below. I'm going to move my take profit up a little bit based on the Bookmap and locking in another $50.
Let me link you the Discord here, Jay. We're always open to get some more information from anybody. So
locking in 120.
Nice.
760 right now, but who knows what's going to happen in this candle. Got to make sure I give it enough room to just breathe a little bit. Locking in 150 now.
Nice.
All right, locking in 270 now. Getting a little bit of a pullback here, but again, nothing to cry about. See if it can make it past that 65 EMA.
A pretty nice bounce.
There are 300 orders on, up at 48.70. Oh, and they're coming down now. 322 orders at 48.67. Interesting. 48.66. Yeah, the algo's dropping the sell orders.
I'm in the, I don't know why I'm long there. Made 250 in my 5 TPT evals.
Good stuff, Maynard. I like it.
Whew. It was a little stressful for a minute though. There, I was down about $100. I was like, oh, I almost need to cut this. Don't do it.
All right, I am locking in 1100. It's right at the bottom of this 5-minute candle is where I'm locking my profits in.
Sorry about that. If that was really loud, I banged my mic with my hand there.
Stop punching your microphone, Dave.
Dong.
All right, I'm hoping this continues up, but still locking in profits. Oh, come on. There we go.
Even gold's popping up right now.
That's what I'm in right now.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Sorry, I thought you were in YM also.
No, gold long at 58.48.60. I think that's where my price was. Hold on. Oh no, 58.47. Did I say 58? I meant 48.47. Wow, numbers hard, man. Math is hard.
What is going on here with these numbers?
And numbers are just getting oof. Like I had that 15 beers with Johan. That could be dangerous and fun all at the same time. Dave will show up with hockey sticks and one of those hats that holds beer cans. All right, we broke up above the 65 EMA. We're heading towards VWAP. We got a little bit of a pullback on gold. Still 303 orders up at 77.50. High of the New York sessions, 48.91 though, so think maybe you could get there.
And again, right back to my original entry, but this is the third time it's just going to get sucked back down. BC odds, eh? Yeah, it's this price. This price.
I just put my take profit at 5,010.
Wow. 5,010, hey? 49. Isn't that like 100 points higher?
It is.
Wow. Think we're going to get a huge pop? Or just going to grind for the rest of the day?
It may be a grinder. But I'm going to...
I think Bessent's talking right now.
What was that?
Bessent is talking right now, the Fed guy.
Ah. So I'm up 2,700, 2,500. Have 1,150 locked in profit.
Nice.
So if this manages to get above and stay above VWAP, I'm just holding it.
You're talking about gold?
Yeah.
Above VWAP?
Weekly.
Oh, weekly VWAP. Okay, yeah.
This isn't a cash account. I don't need to close this out at end of day.
Yeah.
I can hold this till...
Leave your stop where it is and just let it go to Kazooie. Quite a bounce on NQ there. Holy crap. 3 candles there. 228 points up. 1 micro, $500 right there.
Little bit of volatility in gold right now.
Yeah, I see that.
Like buyers and sellers are starting to fight with each other. I don't really want to look at this. So I'm either going to get stopped out by the time I come back from my coffee or I won't. I'll see you.
Okay.
All right, I'm still in it.
Survived. Nice. I'm in a long on NQ. There we go. Just got stopped out. Made $70 in 2 accounts there. Not bad. So 4,003 in direct. Huh? Actually, no, I made more than that. So I guess I forgot I had one account that I had traded yesterday on gold and I was down 150 or something. So I'm up 70 in that account now, and the other account that I have is up 209. So I guess I made about 210 on that.
No, man, math is hard for me today, so.
What's that?
I can't figure that out. Math is obviously too hard for me to do today.
Yeah.
I wish I could take the P&L off this brokerage screen right here.
Yeah. A little less stressful.
I do so much better when I don't have my P&L showing.
Yeah.
Just trade off the chart. But some of the brokerages, your P&L is there no matter what. You try and the only way you can cover it up is with a piece of tape.
Yeah, put a piece of tape over it. There you go.
Put your hand up over it. No.
So we had a 15-minute fair value gap get inverted at on NQ. Wouldn't mind a pullback for an entry, possibly. Although I'm running out of accounts to trade now that I've got them all green. It's a good problem.
I was just going to say, oh, you poor thing. Should I feel bad for you now or what?
Actually, I still have one that I could trade because it's only up $2.10, so.
Now we need a Randy B candle on gold.
Randy Beasy.
Randy with his magic flute. A little bit of a pullback, but this is why I didn't want to watch this.
So you don't get freaked out.
Yep. And that's why I like to be patient.
It was going up again here. Nice.
Yep.
Yes, make a new high. Zar said, "How was the day so far?" It's been good, Zar. Thanks. How about yours? Pretty much green and mostly all my accounts. I'm up 250 in my 5 take profit traders. I got 201 lucid funded, 70 and 1 lucid funded. Got 288 in one of my top 1 futures, 93 in the other one. So pretty decent.
A couple of bucks in all my accounts except for 3. I'm down like $9.80 something cents in 3 accounts.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, a little rejection off of the weekly VWAP. And like we got some buyers in here right now. Sellers are coming in too. All right. So it's going to be another fight at this level. So we are above the start of month VWAP as well. Start of month VWAP is at 48.58 on gold.
NQ starting to get that pullback here.
What's it pulling back to?
We have a inverted fair value gap up at 60 as a high.
Sellers stepping into gold again, or I'm sorry, buyers are stepping into gold again. 48.87. It's looking like that's where the resistance is. 48.88 seems to be where all the resistance is. It's hit that level twice and bounced down off it. And away we go. All right. lock
Beautiful.
in another 1,000.
Rocket. My financial juice disconnect.
Financial juice did what?
Like the voice news just disconnected. How's it doing? Nice gold trade though.
Above 4,900 now. I have a feeling it's going to toy with this level for a little bit before it makes a decision on direction.
This is the 5-minute 200 EMA on the 5-minute right at 4,900. Taking it right now though.
I was expecting a little bit of a pullback, but hasn't happened yet.
Might be just doing max pain for anyone who's short. Hey, there's Dad. Good morning. You're a little late. Yeah, a little late.
Where have you been? Your boy's been making money this morning.
Trying.
Pretty much green all morning, haven't you?
Yep.
See if it bounces off this weekly VWAP again. It did. Came down and started making a bullish fair value gap as well at 48.9150.
All right, just locked in $50 now on that 25K funded account with Top One Futures. All right, now every account is up, so problems, first world problems.
All right. I still have 3 accounts that are red, but in total is like $30.
Yeah. Oh well. Maybe not even worth the risk to try to get them green, right?
No.
It's like,
Absolutely not. I almost cut this gold trade on this little pullback here, but I talked myself out of it.
yeah.
Gonna regret that decision or what? What's happening here?
Bouncing up nice.
49.15 was the highest price of the day, I think.
There you go. Back up at 4,900.
So I'm up 55, 5,700, 58,
Nice.
6,000.
Whoa. Nice little pop there. Taking that 200 EMA now with some momentum.
I'm going to lock in another 500 here. I go through that high a day.
I'm in the long with you too, but I'm way up at the highs, so I'm being aggressive with my stop here. In profit already. See if you can pop up a bit more here. Trail it up. There we go. I got out. So another $40 in that Top One Futures account.
Nice. Got 3,000 locked in right now. And I'm up 7,200.
Wish there was a way I could, it's so hard to like keep my other screen on the right contract and account.
How so?
Well, just because, like the screen that everyone can see my trades on is trading view, but then, I have to have it on the right contract and have the right account connected. And sometimes when I'm switching, then it's like, and I enter on this one, then I don't want to look away to like change the other screen. It's like,
Gotcha.
yeah, it's just a bit of a cluster. Especially if I'm like being pretty tight. Like I got in that trade pretty late, so I don't really want to be, I got to be pretty quick to get the stop in there and everything. So what a crazy move on gold there, hey? Nice. Whew. Looking good.
Help me out here.
What's that?
Help me out here.
Trying to knock it out of that trade, you mean?
Yep.
So we got a little bit of resistance at 49.25, which is yesterday's VWAP, yesterday's New York. Value area low is up at 960.
bouncing around a little here at the low 20s. All right, I got 4,000 locked in.
Nice. Yeah, it's just sitting right on that view up right now. Let's see if we can break that. What do we got? Orders above 49.34. There you go. Nice take for the view up.
I'm gonna hold it.
$49.30.
If I wasn't down like $1,400 in my options trade on this account, I'd be doing real well today.
How much on your options account, sorry?
I think it's down like 1,400 for the day.
Oh, okay.
All right, created a new high. $49.17. Still looking at more orders above than below. I'm not real happy about this pullback right now, but
Oh, yeah. Do you have a bullish fair value gap at 49.06? And then 49.04 is that 200 EMA. Increase odds said, man, I step away for a few minutes and there she goes. Always, yeah, never hit my second long. So I'm down 200 for the day. Well, 200 is reasonable loss. Really wanted that 24,493 on MNQ. Yeah, I know it didn't quite get down there, hey? 50 points, which isn't that far for NQ.
yeah, that's an issue I had with trading YM and NQ both, was not having my stop losses wide enough and oversizing. Because I got so used to trading ES. And I was, most of the time I'm trading a mini on ES. So going over to NQ and YM, I was like, oh yeah, 20-point stop loss. And then I'd be in a trade for like 3 seconds and it just blow out.
Yeah.
Oh, and here's where it's going to bounce. Got orders at 49.16, 320 of them.
Right at that fair value gap right now. That bullish fair value gap, 49.10.
$20 points of movement to go to get to that daily high. Not too bad for a one mini trade.
Yeah, wow. but it is gold, so.
Yeah. I didn't say it was great. I said it was okay. Sounds like somebody's getting a little feisty in the background there.
Yeah, that's Frank. I took that trade on that fair value gap. Made $28.
Micro gold contract.
Yeah. Well, thanks for the uplifting talk for you guys. You guys are right. Tomorrow is a new day, and the rest of the year plus 200 is in 2000. So yeah, exactly. No, that's Frank. That's the Great Pyrenees. Ralph doesn't really bark, and Ralph's just sleeping over here on the couch. Well, I closed that gold a little too early. I was a little too aggressive on the stop, but just wanted to lock it in. Could have had a few more points anyways.
Yeah, I just moved my stop up to the 9 EMA just above VWAP. Actually, move this just below VWAP.
48.92 ish.
Yeah, I just moved it down to 86. So it's just below VWAP. Yeah, almost 4,000 locked in, so I'm good with that.
So I saw this clip where it's talking about green peas. So you used to be able to get a bag of green peas for $1 at a grocery store here, and now green peas for the same bag is $3. So talk about food inflation at its finest. Canada has the worst food inflation out of all the G7 countries, more than double of the US's food inflation. It's crazy.
That is nuts. I know the food inflation here is not conducive to optimum bank account results.
Yeah, for sure. You guys got like something like 3%, and we're at like 6 point something percent.
Oh, it's a hell of a lot more than 3%.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You can't believe anything they put out for inflation and cost of goods, because all of those numbers end up being skewed. Excuse me. If you literally just look at if you just price compare,
yeah,
from a year ago until now, shit's up at least 50% across the board.
Crazy, eh? Yeah, the stats that I saw was Canada's 6.2% year over year food inflation, and USA 3.1%. I mean, maybe that's just because it's an average of all the food prices, rather than, obviously some are just like
Yeah.
you're saying, way up.
Just compare, go into your account statement and look at your grocery bills from a year ago today.
Yeah, no doubt, right? It's not tariffs, Johan, it's carbon tax. I mean, I'm sure tariffs do have effect on it, but tariffs shouldn't really affect our groceries, should it? Like it should have the reverse effect because it's money cost on those the US people. So why is ours going up? Ours is carbon tax, food packaging tax, carbon tax on metal and fertilizer and all this stuff. Oh, we got your screen up. Is this your gold trade?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, my screen's pretty boring right now. I'm not doing anything. Jesus, gold, man. The way it just moves, though, it's just freaky. It's sitting on that 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart right now. It's been that 9 EMA has been support multiple times on this bounce.
Mm-hmm. That's why I didn't close this out.
You know, Johan, the numbers that Carney is saying is from a government-funded research facility. So I mean, you can't really trust what they're saying. When there's a carbon tax on metals and fertilizers and stuff, how can it not affect the food prices, right? That's just my question. How can it not affect food prices if there's a tax on metals and equipment and fertilizer and packaging? Like, it's, you know, the stores don't pay the taxes on there, right? It gets sent to the customers.
It all trickles down to the consumer.
Yeah. And that's you know, that's Carney's whole green grift, right? It's he's in on the base of the basis of making money off of carbon capture and all these carbon credits and everything. Like Brookfield Assets is fully invested in those areas, so of course he's going to be pushing that narrative, right? A Conservative Party MP went to meet the JD Vance in Washington, which is scary. Why is it scary? I mean, we need to make a deal with the US, so hopefully that can happen. Hopefully this can help. I mean, if he's so, yeah, there's what's his name? There's a Conservative MP that went to university with JD Vance, so he's trying to use his connections to sort of get a conversation with Trump going about what they could do about trying to make Kuzma renegotiate or finalize Kuzma again for, you know, the free trade deal.
Thinking about JD Vance in a university that's not a clown college is actually kind of fucking humorous.
All I know is we really need to just lock in that deal. That would reduce a lot of trade uncertainty for Canada. You know, we just have so much trade with the States. It's like the longer that we have these uncertainties, the worse our economy is going to be doing, right? So yeah, Trump is definitely a flip-flopper.
Flips and flops more than the footwear that goes by the same damn name.
That could be another shirt, hey? Traders win when they're not a flip-flopper, and then or something like that, and then put a single flip-flop on the shirt.
Yeah, right.
Increase the odds says, I like the amount of mascara he wears. He's a cutie pie. Trump wears mascara? I never noticed that before, but that's pretty funny.
No,
if he does.
Vance.
Oh, Vance does? Okay.
Well, those guys wear so much freaking makeup, they look like they did go to clown college.
Yeah. They're trying to look young and presentable on TV, right? Oh,
Please.
Vance does.
Trump looks like a bag of Cheetos exploded in his fucking face.
I noticed Trump definitely looking aged though in this last year. Like he looks older for sure. The whole president's dress, right? Pretty busy life, like no downtime.
Oh yeah, that going golfing 3 times a week stress.
Is it? Yeah.
Making shit up as you go along stress.
Yeah, all politicians.
JD Vance complaining about who was it? Tim Walz. He was talking about how he's not manly enough. Coming from a guy wearing enough mascara to make a Tuesday hooker ashamed.
He even cheats at golf?
Oh yeah.
That's funny.
Sitting through this chop now.
Yeah. Held that 200 EMA, or 9 EMA. My bad. Yeah, those 304s, I think that's the street term for them. Oh, 304s. That's a prostitute street term?
No, but thanks for the info. Just needs to get back up above 4,900 for me to feel comfortable and stay there for a while.
Yeah. Yeah, we got that Great Wall of China at 49.03. Okay, Johan, you have a good day too.
See you later.
See you tomorrow.
This is going to stop me out.
Getting a little bit of a more pullback there.
Well, this just isn't any fun anymore.
No.
So you're gonna respect that 9? Maybe. Maybe.
Hold it. Hold it. That'd be sweet if it just reversed and popped right through those 9,000s or 900s up to 910, 920.
Oh, that would make me very happy. Just need a 10-point jump here. Two. Three. Come on, keep going. Get your ass up there. I know as soon as I close this, it's going to rip through the roof.
Of course. $49.30 has 21 contracts. $49.50 has 61 contracts. And $48.50 has 45 contracts.
Trying to stick with my plan here. I have my stop loss set
Yeah.
below the weekly VWAP, below the 9 EMA. If I get stopped out, I made a little bit of money. $3,940.
Increase the odds said, sorry, I had to step away. I might just wrap it up here. My edge has gone for the day. And of course, I was just a bit early. By a bit, I mean a whole hour. But yeah, well, you had the right idea. But yeah, timing is everything, isn't it? That's kind of the hardest part of it all, isn't it? Is
Always
getting the right timing. Usually the direction and targets can be acquired relatively easy. It's just when do you get in, you know? You get in too early, it's your stop. If you get in too late, you're gonna miss most of the move. Maybe it pulls back on you, right? So
Yeah, this is definitely a test of your patience for entries and exits. I know it is for me anyway, but I've always struggled with being patient. So
yeah, you seem to be really good with your cash account though. Like you're always giving it a lot of time to go.
It's because I don't have to worry about a trailing drawdown or a profit target or a consistency rule or any of that other bullshit. It is just cash. You can trade it however the hell you want to. I mean, of course, I try not to be a dumbass when I'm doing it, but like this trade, if this was to jump up to 49.50, I'm going to move my stop loss up and I'm going to walk away and see where it is in an hour.
No doubt, right? I like that comment. Increase the odds says, appreciate the channel, by the way. The more I stay, the cooler it becomes. So shout out to you guys.
Thank you very much. We appreciate that.
Means a lot.
Sorry for all the goofy ass dad jokes and stupid comments. Actually, I'm not sorry.
Yeah.
Deal with it.
I think he likes them anyways. So
Perfect. Definitely a niche market there.
yeah.
Whew.
Well, I'm ready to get off here. I don't know if
Yeah. It's about that time.
you're gonna either hit your stop and make some money, or it's gonna go higher and you're gonna make some more money. So
Yeah, that's really all I'm doing here is sitting here watching this 5-minute candle toy with my emotions.
right. Oh, I see your stop there. Yeah.
My stop is at 86, at 94 right now, 94.60. So, but I mean, it was way up here, and now it's way down here.
35 points lower.
Yeah. One of those things where it's like, oh, I should have closed it out up here, but
Had you known that was the top.
yeah, well,
Hindsight, right?
so it's always 2020.
I see your little Traders Post command pad there. That's dope.
Oh yeah, looks like that late 90s, early 2000s CME trading. The trading tools that they used on the floor.
Yeah.
That's how Mike designed it.
It looks like kind of like an old school calculator.
Yeah.
Sort of.
All right, Doc. Well,
Yeah.
get the hell out of here and
Good times. Good
stop
times.
fooling
Thanks.
around. Thank you. You have a lovely evening, and cross your fingers I don't get stopped out here.
Yeah, I hope so. Pray for it to
I
move
will.
back to those highs, and then you can lock in a bit more again. So,
Wow.
okay, see you later. Increase the odds. Dad, Johan. Who else did we have here earlier? We had Zar was here for a bit. Jay came by. And did we see Keith this morning? Tim was here. Tim
so.
locked in 2 green days. Nina came in. And I don't think I saw. Yeah, we did see Keith, didn't we? Or oh yeah, Jose was here first thing in the morning. He's always so early. And Candle Dealer. Nice. Yeah, I don't think we saw Keith. So
Seems like we're getting more and more people early in the morning.
yeah.
It's your winning personality. All right, Doc. I'll see you
Okay.
tomorrow.
Thanks, guys. See you later.
Have a
See you,
good
Nick. Stay green, everybody. Have a good day, and we'll be back tomorrow morning for market open. So we'll see you guys then. Bye-bye for now.